I'm like, find a mentor in the company. Like, it doesn't have to be me, and most of the time it's better if it's not your boss. It's somebody that you can ask.
Absolutely.
I feel like it's better if you can just, even if they're in a different department. But I started out, like when I was at Dollar General, I started out in the real estate side, where I was working on the maintenance issues and things like that, but I wanted to be in IT. And so I started making friends in IT.
Sure.
What are you guys doing? And then, like, this is some of the stuff I'm doing. And then, so I started, making friends and making sure they knew I had skills. And so when a job opened up over there, they were like, oh yeah, Shauna's always around, So, things like that, making sure people, and, I always am flattered when somebody asks me, can I, could you mentor me? Could you give me some career advice here? And I've gotten some tremendous advice from people that were, what I considered very high up in the organization at the time in my career, but now I'm looking back, I'm like, they're just regular people like me. They're not necessarily, this is another thing I always say, they're not necessarily smarter than you. They may have better opportunities, they may have had a better education, but that doesn't mean that they're better at their job, but use their advice, use their skills.
Sure.
So I had somebody very clearly map out for me something I didn't understand at all, and early in my career was that nobody is going to, if you are not vocal about what you want, your career goals and moving and advancing, they'll assume you're happy because you're not complaining.
Sure.
You're not complaining, you're sitting there, and so nobody's going to come by and be like, Shauna's doing a great job, let's give her a promotion.
Right.
You have to ask for that.
Right.
And so be more vocal.